Did you know your diet can play a significant role in preventing atherosclerosis? Atherosclerosis is a condition in which fatty deposits or plaques accumulate within the walls of arteries, causing them to harden and narrow. This potentially life-threatening disease can be influenced by many factors, including diet. But the precise role of diet in this disease is a subject of ongoing debate among experts. Let's consider two differing perspectives. Dr. Jeremiah Stamler, a prominent figure in the field, asserts that our dietary habits significantly contribute to the epidemic of atherosclerosis and heart attacks, particularly in the United States. He suggests that by modifying what we eat, we could potentially reduce the incidence of these conditions. On the other hand, Dr. Mark D. Altshuler takes a different stance. He disputes that diet is a primary factor in the development of atherosclerosis. According to him, other elements such as genetics and lifestyle choices may be more influential, and there lies the crux of the issue. How much does our diet really contribute to atherosclerosis? Is it a significant factor, or are there other, more influential elements at play? The jury is still out, and the debate continues. What we do know, however, is that diet plays a crucial role in managing many health conditions related to atherosclerosis, such as obesity, diabetes, and hypertension. Dr. David Miller from the U.S. Public Health Service underscores this point, emphasizing the importance of a balanced diet in maintaining a healthy weight and controlling these conditions. In the quest to understand this complex relationship between diet and atherosclerosis, scientists have even turned to animal studies. These studies, which involve feeding animals cholesterol-rich diets, have provided valuable insights, albeit with their own set of complexities. So where does this leave us? Well, it's clear that the relationship between diet and atherosclerosis is complicated, and there's still much to learn. But one thing is certain. A healthy diet is a cornerstone of good health, and it's never too late to make positive changes. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the diet atherosclerosis debate. For decades, managing cholesterol has been a focal point in the fight against heart disease. This journey began with the simple recognition of cholesterol's role in our bodies. Beyond being a villain in heart health, cholesterol plays a crucial part in hormone production, aiding in the creation of estrogen, testosterone, and vitamin D. In the mid-20th century, a shift in perspective occurred. Medical professionals began to see high cholesterol, particularly LDL or bad cholesterol, as a significant risk factor for heart disease. This led to the development of cholesterol-lowering drugs and dietary recommendations aimed at reducing saturated fats. Dr. Jeremiah Stamler, a prominent figure in this era, firmly believed in the power of diet to combat the epidemic of atherosclerotic disease and heart attacks sweeping across the United States. He championed the idea that a low-fat diet could significantly reduce cholesterol levels and consequently heart disease risk. However, not all agreed with this approach. Dr. Mark D. Altshuler, for instance, challenged the notion that diet was a primary factor in the development of atherosclerosis. He argued that genetic factors and lifestyle choices beyond diet played a more considerable role in heart disease. This debate highlights the complexities of cholesterol management. While animal studies have shown a clear link between cholesterol feeding and atherosclerosis, translating these findings to humans has proved challenging due to our intricate biological systems. Despite this, the consensus remains that managing cholesterol is key to heart health. Today, a combination of medication, lifestyle changes, and dietary modifications are employed to keep cholesterol levels in check. From reducing saturated fats to increasing fiber intake, dietary changes have proven to be an effective tool in this fight. As we venture deeper into the 21st century, the focus has shifted towards understanding the specific dietary components that impact cholesterol levels and heart health. This includes looking at the types of fats we consume and their role in the development of atherosclerotic lesions. But the debate continues: is diet the key to managing cholesterol levels? Do you know that what you eat can impact your blood flow and, subsequently, your athletic performance? The food we consume plays a significant role in determining how our body functions, including the efficiency of our blood circulation. To understand this, let's consider the body as a well-oiled machine. Just like how the quality of fuel affects the performance of a vehicle, the type of food we consume influences our body's performance. When we consume nutrient-rich foods, our body gets the right fuel to function optimally. On the other hand, a diet full of processed foods, high in saturated fats and low in nutrients, can lead to poor blood circulation, causing a decrease in athletic performance. As blood circulation is crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients to our muscles, a decrease in blood flow can lead to fatigue, decreased endurance, and reduced athletic performance. It's like trying to run a high-performance vehicle on low-quality fuel. It simply won't work as efficiently as it should. This is why many top athletes are now hiring personal chefs. They understand that a diet tailored to their specific needs can optimize their performance. These chefs design meals that are balanced, nutrient-rich, and tailored to the athlete's specific needs, ensuring that their bodies get the right fuel for maximum performance. However, it's not just about athletic performance. A diet high in processed foods and saturated fats can also lead to health issues such as high cholesterol and hypertension, both of which can negatively impact blood flow. This is where the role of diet in atherosclerosis comes into play. Atherosclerosis is a condition where plaque builds up inside the arteries, reducing blood flow. It's a significant cause of heart disease and stroke. Can our diet influence the development of atherosclerosis? As we've seen, diet can impact blood flow, so it's logical to assume that it could also influence the development of conditions like atherosclerosis. So it seems diet does play a part in our overall health, but what about atherosclerosis? The role of diet in atherosclerosis is a hot debate among experts. This statement is not an overstatement. The medical community is divided, with some experts emphasizing the significance of diet in controlling atherosclerosis while others downplay its importance. At the heart of this debate are two esteemed physicians. Dr. Jeremiah Stamler, a staunch proponent of the diet-atherosclerosis connection, asserts that diet is instrumental in the widespread incidence of atherosclerotic disease and heart attacks in the United States. On the other side of the spectrum, Dr. Mark D. Altschul challenges this belief, arguing that diet is not a primary factor in the development of atherosclerosis. Adding to this discourse, Dr. David Miller from the US Public Health Service underscores the importance of managing weight, diabetes, and hypertension through diet. He posits that these factors, when neglected, could lead to atherosclerosis, thereby indirectly linking diet to the disease. But the debate doesn't end with human studies. Even animal research contributes to this discussion, shedding light on the complexities of the relationship between diet and atherosclerosis. These studies show that feeding animals with cholesterol-rich diets can induce atherosclerosis, although the results are not always consistent. This inconsistency underscores the complexity of the diet-atherosclerosis relationship and demonstrates that it is not as straightforward as it might initially seem. There is no doubt that the diet-atherosclerosis debate is complex, with differing opinions and interpretations of the evidence. However, one thing is clear: regardless of whether diet is a primary or secondary factor in the development of atherosclerosis, it plays a significant role in overall health and well-being. Thus, it is crucial to pay attention to what we eat, as our diet can either protect us from or expose us to various health risks, including atherosclerosis. In the end, it's not about who is right or wrong in this debate. It's about understanding the nuances and complexities of the diet-atherosclerosis relationship to make informed dietary choices that promote heart health. Let's look at some specific diets and their impact on heart health. Ever heard of the Mediterranean diet? It's known for its heart health benefits. This diet, a traditional staple of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, is largely vegetarian, low in meat and dairy, and uses fruit for dessert. It's a refreshing departure from the standard Western diets, often laden with processed foods and high in unhealthy fats. So what makes the Mediterranean diet a heart-healthy choice? Well, it's rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, and olive oil, all of which are known to support cardiovascular health. It also includes moderate amounts of fish and poultry and very limited quantities of red meat. This balance of nutrients helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and support overall heart function. But don't just take our word for it. Scientific studies provide compelling evidence. Individuals who consistently follow the Mediterranean diet have been shown to have significantly lower rates of heart disease compared to those following standard Western diets. This is a testament to the power of dietary choices in influencing our health outcomes. However, it's important to remember that it's not just about following a specific diet. You also need to consider the type of fats you're consuming. Not all fats are created equal, and certain types can increase the risk of atherosclerosis and heart disease. But it's not just about the type of diet. The type of fat you consume also matters. Not all fats are created equal, especially when it comes to heart health. A fascinating study has found that all types of fat, whether from animals or plants, are associated with the development of new atherosclerotic lesions. But here's the kicker. 3 specific fats, lauric, oleic, and linoleic, significantly ramp up the likelihood of these lesions appearing. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and updates. Hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.